Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you about advanced SQL commands. What are the advanced SQL commands and how we can use while writing SQL statements by using these SQL commands. Let's see how and what. Advanced SQL commands like timestamps built in. These timestamp methods are already available in MySQL database. Similarly, RDBMS databases nowadays, most of the built-in functions are available, and we should simply know how to use these built-in timestamp methods and extract from timestamp. How we are going to extracting from default method which is already inserted the data rows into the database columns. And it's very pretty easy by using extract, the word of command, and by making some standardized the parameters what we require and which slice we require to get from that particular string, we can get it. And mathematical functions like additions, subtract, percentile, how it is going to be executed in while writing the SQL statements. Similarly, string functions. By defaultly, many of like upper, lower, such type of string functions which is already readily available in MySQL like a SQL standard language, whereas MySQL is full-fledgedly it is supports and we can have it used, but what we know it is the string function how we are going to be used. And the subquery and inner query, we can say that like a subquery, it's a similar to inner query where one query is having another query inside the loop, like a for loop is having inner loop. Like similarly, one query is having inside another query to fetch accurate data how what we require. For the purpose, we'll implement like a subquery and inner query manner. How it is going to be right in real time with the example we'll see for this all. For these timestamps, extracting, mathematical functions, string functions, subquery, inner queries, all we have in our independent sessions one by one. You will know how to do these all advanced commands which is already available and how we can readily use and learn. Why we should learn all these things? It's very important to speed up your querying, to writing a SQL queries, to speed up your process, and with the minimum of the time you will get large number of data sets and creating the result set as your requirements. Hopefully we'll see for all one by one sessions in upcoming sessions, and I will continue with this. Thanks for watching this session. Thank you.